Hi, this is Jonathan Mendez, your licensed real estate broker in San Quintin, Baja California, and I would like to show you a house that we have for sale in Costa Brava. Costa Brava is a beachfront community in San Quintin. It's about 5-hour drive from the border of San Diego and Tijuana, and this beautiful beach house has a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, a garage for 2 vehicles, and also has an apartment with a 1 bedroom, a kitchen, laundry room, and also comes with a full-size bathroom. So I would like to invite you to please walk in with me to see this beautiful house. Thank you. I would like to give you the basic description of the legality of the purchase of this house. This house sits on a lease land which is owned by Bravo del Mar, and if you're interested in purchasing this house, you will have to go through a series of steps. Number 1, which will be entering into a private agreement with the seller to sell you the structure of this house. But secondly, you will have to enter into an agreement with Bravo del Mar, which is the current administrator for the leases, and to enter into a lease with them. This property includes 2 shares of Bravo del Mar, which is a Mexican corporation that owns the entire parcel, the entire land of Costa Brava. And also it includes 20 prepaid years of the lease. So I know this could be a little bit hard to understand, so please feel free to call me or to email me if you would like to have more information in regard of the legality of the purchase of this house. I would like to give you a small description of what Costa Brava is all about. This community is about 35 years old, and we are about 10 to 15 minute drive to Vicente Guerrero, which is the nearest town, where you can find ATMs, grocery stores, restaurants, pharmacies, hospitals. All the basic needs you may have, you will find in just 10 minutes from here. This community is right on the beach. It's a gated community, and we have about 40 to 50 residents in this community. And once again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please subscribe to our channel, which is Mendez Realty Group, and you will get in your email our new videos of properties that we will have for sale pretty soon.